Fuck! Alright, so I've just been dropped off at Ernesettle, and I'm going to see where I can find Jake. I'm pretty sure he's down here with Dave and a few other people. I can hear yelling. That could be them. Alright, so I'm at Ernesettle with Jake, what's his name? Dean, and Dave behind the camera, and today is a special day because we have massive fucking cans of deodorant to blow up. Absolutely huge. Can't wait. And we're going to put it on. Yeah. Fuck! Was that both of them? So we're preparing for the ultimate deodorant explosion. We've built this gigantical fire.
The fire will be in.
There's Jake.
About 6 feet.
Where's the dog? Is the dog with you today?
Yeah, he's down there.
Jake!
Jake, come here.
Come here!
No, stay there actually.
Eggy bread. That's not a can. That's a fucking bomb. We could quite possibly get killed tonight by this gigantic thing, and that just makes it even worse. He's coming down! Not going up, he's coming down!
Babe, you wanker!
Jake the dog, Jake the human. Alright, so I got my Roman candle launcher. We're going to do it like this, Tombstone and channel. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's shit. Oh, that's pathetic. Why is it doing that? Oh, yeah. Okay. I think it's not working properly. So fuck it. Alright, Jake's about to put a Lynx on. What are we going for? Lynx Africa? Alright, hang on. Let me get out of the way first. Move, mate. Yes, mate! Let's get it! Fuck! Alright.
Let's give you those. Put that on after. Wait, if it's firing anyway, it's firing that way. I'll put another one on.
Oh, he's putting another one on. Oh, alright, don't put any more on yet. Hang on, I'm coming back. Alright, I'm ready. Oh shit, here it goes. Fuck! Has he ever been to Bridge 700?
His dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was over there on Sunday.
Fucking hell, how'd you get him down that hill? He must have been petrified.
They put a new fence up,
Alright.
but what the twats didn't realise there was still a way around it.
Alright, so we're walking back now after we've blown up some stuff. Alright, so I'm at the bus stop and I'm waiting for the bus, see how long that's going to take. And then I'm going to walk back from town, or I'm going to get another bus from town. But yeah, the bigger deodorant didn't blow up, so that's a shame. Alright, so I decided to get off the bus before town and walk back to Mutley this way because I cannot be fucked to sit on that bus any longer. It was stopping at every single stop. But the good news is we got a good vlog out of it and a couple deodorant explosions for you guys to see. But yeah, I just wanted you to appreciate the sick view we got around here. But yeah, there's the sign.